Okay, so my stays have come in for the overhead cupboards, so that's today's job, is get these overhead cupboard stays in. First, I need to work out how. So they're special order, 200mm, 50 Newton pneumatic stays. I'll grab myself some tools. Happily, there's fairly clear guidelines for installation on the packet, so we want the pivot to be 65mm out from the carcass of the cupboard, and the bottom pivot should be 175 down, and that would give a 90-degree opening. You can adjust that a little bit. So I want more than a 90-degree opening. I want to get the cupboard door open right up close to the ceiling like that, which is a little bit more than 90 degrees. Let's see what happens. Okay. So that says 175. I'll use one of the holes from the previous attempt. Coffee container out of the way. I've waited months for these to come in, so I'm really hoping they work. So I'm only using 2 screw holes for this bottom mount, obviously, because I can't get a third one. It's hanging off the edge, but these are fairly light doors, so I don't think that will be an issue. So this is a bit too far that way, and I've pushed this to the point where the door is up nice and close to the ceiling. So let's see whether I can actually get the door closed. Oh, it's a beautiful thing. I'd say I'm maxing the stay out. It's all the way closed. It's all the way pushed in the down position, but it's the little things. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. It's been a year and a half of not having that feature, which hasn't been an issue for me, but for Melanie it's been a bit of a pain because she's not tall enough to hold the doors up with her head like I am. front here is shorter. The opening is narrower, so hopefully these are short enough to work with that door as well. Yep, that's still going to work. Take this door off to do this one. It'll just be a bit easier. Alright, that's all the front ones done. I mean, to try out the overhead cupboards. She's sick, so she doesn't want her face to be in the video.
Oh, that's awesome. I also sound weird. Oh, I like that.
It's a simple little thing. So I've done the ones up the front there as well. So when you press that, you'll then have to pull the door open, because you've got to kind of overcome the stay tries to keep the door closed, if that makes sense. No, you won't. If you open that again now,
I don't know what
if you just pull it open, you don't have to do the press in the corner thing. But if you do the press in the corner thing and that pops out, then you will still have to do that to get it to stay closed.
Just go like this.
Yep.
Yay!
Yay! So I've just got to do the bedroom ones now, and then another job done.
All moved.
Happens when you drive like a rally driver. Okay, well that's that job done. Pretty happy with the results of that. All the overhead cabinets will now stay open. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased to get that done, and I know Melanie's pretty happy as well, especially with these cupboards back here. She found these ones to be the most awkward to deal with the not having stays. So yeah, pretty happy with that.